What is the relationship between torque, power and RPM? We have to find out. RPM is also revolutions per minute. Torque we can see down here. For example, if we got a bolt, we have to tighten it. Then we have to put on a force in a given distance. So the torque is the force multiplied by the distance. The unit for torque must be Newton and meter, so we got Newton meter. And the symbol is a capital letter T. So now we know something about torque. When we have a motor, we have normally information about the power and RPM on the nameplate. And we have to find out how can we calculate the torque. Other times maybe we know something about the torque which is required, and we know the RPM, and then we have to calculate the power of the motor we have to buy. Over here we see the shaft of a motor. It is turning counterclockwise, and here we got a load, and that is the force on the shaft, and here we have the radius of the shaft. We know that when we have to find out the work for a motor, we can multiply the force by a stretch or distance. So the work that a motor has to do is the force times the distance. And we know also that power is work divided by time. And work was force times the distance. Then we just have to find out the distance for a given motor. We know that for one revolution the distance is 2 times pi times radius. So 2 times pi times radius we have for one revolution, and then if we multiply by the number of revolutions divided by time, then we got a formula for the power. We can change or move the radius for the shaft. So we got the formula, the force times the radius times 2 times pi times number of rotation in a given time. Because the force times the radius over here, the force times the radius, we can see the force and the radius. We have that for a torque. So instead we can say the torque times 2 times pi times the number of revolution and in a given time. And because we have that the number of revolutions normally is given in per minute, so we divide by 60 seconds. And this number, 60 divided by 2 pi, is equal to 9.55. So we can say that the power is equal to the torque times the number of revolutions per minute divided by 9.55. When we have a motor, we also have to calculate the efficiency for the motor. The symbol for efficiency is eta, a Greek letter, and the efficiency is the relationship between the output power divided by the input power. We can also look at the work, output work, or the input energy, but here we only see in the power. The output power is actually the input power minus the power loss that we have in the motor or any other machinery. So the efficiency is also input power minus loss in power divided by the input power. And the input power divided by input power is 1, and then minus the loss of power divided by input power. So here we have some formula for efficiency when we keep the input power in the denominator. Down here we have that the efficiency is still the output power divided by the input power, and instead of the input power we can say it must be the output power plus the loss of power. So we also have that efficiency is equal to the output power divided by the output power plus the loss of power.